Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a very simple evening snack recipe with leftover rava upma. So let's begin. Here I have taken 2 boiled potatoes. We need to mash it very well. Mash it very well and make sure it is smooth and lump free. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of very finely grated beetroot. Squeeze it very well and remove the excess moisture from this. Squeeze it really well and remove the excess water from this. Otherwise the batter will be really sticky and we cannot give a proper shape for the cutlets. Adding 1 cup of leftover rava upma. Mix well. Now we need to add some masala. Adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and some crushed pepper, and some salt. Do not add too much salt because rava upma also has enough salt in it. Mix well and make a nice and smooth mixture. So now it's time to give proper shape for the cutlets. Now we need to give an outside coating of rava. So these are ready to fry. Heat enough oil and once it is medium hot, drop the cutlets one by one. Flip the side. So this is ready. Transfer this into a plate. Next batch is getting ready. So rava cutlet is ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.